In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to see all your recently watched videos on YouTube. If you have recently watched a video, maybe you watched a video yesterday or you watched a video not quite long and you are looking for that video, you want to get back that video, you want to watch it again, this is how to get it. The first thing you want to do, you want to go to your YouTube where you watched the video. So once you get to the YouTube homepage, I want you to tap on your profile. My profile is at the bottom right corner. So let's tap on that. So once you tap on your profile icon, then it will bring you to this page. On this page, if you check under your profile picture, you are going to see where it says history. So I want you to tap on that history. So once you tap on that history, then you can see it says yesterday. These are all the videos that I watched yesterday. If you want to see only videos, you just want to select videos and it will show you all the videos you watched. As you can see, these are the videos that I watched yesterday. And if you want to see only shorts, you want to tap on shorts and it will show you all the videos, all the shorts you watched recently. So guys, this is how to see all your recently watched videos on YouTube. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.